If you're trying to segment your email list in GetResponse, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Plus, I'll share some alternatives that might work even better for your email marketing needs. First, let's talk about why segmenting your email list is essential. By segmenting, you're not just sending generic emails to your entire list. You're sending targeted, personalized messages that boost your engagement, conversions, and overall ROI. So, how do you actually do that in GetResponse? The first thing you want to do is create segments based on contact information. To get started, head to your contact section. From there, you can filter contacts based on various criteria like location, behavior, or how they've interacted with your emails in the past. Once you've got your filters in place, you can group people into specific segments for better targeting. Next thing, let's talk about tagging. In GetResponse, tags are like labels you can attach to individual contacts. These tags help you identify where someone is in the customer journey. For example, you might tag someone as a new subscriber or interested in a product demo. Tags make it easier to track what's happening with each contact and segment your list even further. The third thing is to take advantage of custom fields. Custom fields allow you to collect additional information from your contacts, anything beyond the usual email, name, and phone number. Maybe you want to know their preferences or past purchases. You can store that info in custom fields and then segment based on that data for even more targeted emails. Now, the fourth thing is using automation. GetResponse offers powerful automation workflows that let you set up segments and send emails based on certain triggers. Let's say someone clicks on a link in your email or visits your site. You can automatically add them to a specific segment and send follow-up emails tailored to their interests. Super efficient. Moving on to the fifth thing, let's dive into lists versus segments. In GetResponse, you can create multiple lists, but keep in mind that lists are more of a one-size-fits-all approach. Segments are a lot more flexible and granular. Instead of having multiple lists for each group of people, segments let you refine your target audience even further. Now, GetResponse isn't perfect. While it's great for segmentation and automation, some users find the interface a little overwhelming at first. Additionally, if you have a really large email list, GetResponse's pricing can get a bit steep, especially when compared to other platforms that offer similar features at a lower cost. This brings me to an important point. If you're looking for something that might offer a better deal, I've got a recommendation for you. Stick around till the end, because I'll mention some alternatives that could give you even better value for your money, especially if you're looking for specific segmentation features. Before we wrap up, I've got a special offer for you. If you're interested in GetResponse, I've secured an exclusive and extended free trial for you through our link. You'll get access to the software and some additional benefits that are only available to our viewers. But wait, before you go, if you're not totally convinced GetResponse is the right choice, I've also included some amazing alternatives that can help you segment your email list even more effectively. These alternatives also have free trials, so you can test them out without any commitment. And through our link, you'll get the best free trials and exclusive benefits only available here. So go ahead, click the link below, and check out GetResponse or one of the alternatives we mentioned. Don't miss out.